Let's solve the equation 5x equals 40x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. We write out the equation 5x equals 40x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. For clarity's sake, equal to 40 times x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5x divided by 5 is equal to 40 times x raised to the power minus 1 over 2 divided by 5. Simplifying, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 here is 1. So we are left with x. On the right hand side, 5 divided by 5 here is 1. 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. So we are left with 8 times x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. We are now left with x equals 8 times x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Now we multiply the powers by 2. X raised to the power 1 times 2 is equal to 8 raised to the power 1 times 2 times x raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 2. Simplifying, 1 times 2, we are left with 2 here. 1 times 2, we are also left with 2. And here, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 2 divided by 2 here is 1. So we are left with minus 1. X squared is equal to 8 squared times x raised to the power minus 1. Rewriting the expression, x squared is equal to 8 times 8 will give us 64, and x raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as times 1 over x. So to eliminate x, we multiply both sides of the equation by x. X times x squared is equal to 64 times x times 1 over x, which is the reciprocal of x. X divided by x will give us 1, and x divided by x will give us 1. So we are left with 64 on the right hand side. X times x squared will give us x raised to the power 3, because x here is the same as x raised to the power 1 plus 2, which will give us 1 plus 2 will give us 3, equal to 64. Now the expression is x raised to the power 3 is equal to 64. It's equal to 4 times 4 times 4. X raised to the power 3 is also equal to 4 raised to the power 3. Let's take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of x raised to the power 3 is also equal to the cube root of 4 raised to the power 3, which can also be written as x raised to the power 3 times 1 over 3 is equal to 4 raised to the power 3 times 1 over 3. Simplifying, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 here is 1. We are left with x raised to the power 1 on the left hand side. 3 divided by 3 here is 1. And 3 divided by 3 here is 1. So we are also left with 4 raised to the power 1 on the right hand side. Therefore, x raised to the power 1 is equal to 4 raised to the power 1. X equal to 4 is the solution to the above equation.